Yo guys, I am in the Pilanesberg National Park in South Africa. This is where it all started for me. This is where I was born. This is my country. And yeah, I'm staying in this awesome bush lodge. It just blows my mind. So I want to give you guys a quick tour of the place. And yeah, so follow me. This is the bedroom slash living area. Very comfortable bed. We have a fan because it is summertime here and it is Africa, so it's really hot. And if you follow me here, this is an amazing bathroom. Look at this. The bath, these windows open up, so it's very romantic. You get a view of the plains there, wild animals literally outside your doorstep while you're having champagne in the bath. It's crazy. And this is also pretty cool. Through the shower, you can go outside. And we have our own private plunge pool, which is temperature regulated. So at night we can crank up the heat. And this is the best part, guys. This is what blows my mind. When I came here, I didn't even think this is real. Here we go. Wild Africa. So literally we're in the middle of a game reserve and all the animals here are wild animals. There's no fences here. The only thing keeping us safe is the fact that we are quite high off the ground. And yeah, then we just see elephants walking past now, giraffes. It is a season where all the animals have babies. So, I mean, I'm just taking it all in. Here for 2 nights. And yeah, what can I say? The view speaks for itself. So while I'm making this video today, I like to do a bit of reflection every time I come back to South Africa, because like I said, this is where it all started for me. And you know, I did go through very tough times growing up here, and it's just a reminder to me that hard work does eventually pay off, because I could never fathom coming to a place like this and experiencing this a few years ago. And you know, I had a dream of creating games, creating financial freedom for myself. And yeah, I'm not gonna say it's easy. It hasn't been easy at all. And I mean, there's been days where I've literally thought about giving up, you know, but I've pushed through because it's not in my nature. And that's the lesson here, guys. No matter how tough things may seem, you know, for me, this was impossible. This was an impossible dream, just to come to a place like this. But you know, if you are resilient, you don't give up, and you really have a true conviction of what you want in your life, you know, there's no reason why you can't get it. And yeah, I want to share this with as many people as possible. This is why I've also started to work with other developers. I've created an agency, game development agency, because I want people to experience this, you know. A boy from South Africa, like with nothing, gets to experience this, you know, a few years later, following his passion. You know, there's no price for that. Like, it's something I can't really put into words. and yeah, I want as many people to experience as possible. So that's the video I wanted to make today, just a short motivational one for you guys. You know, I'm sure many of you have had a really tough year, and things may have seemed pretty dark, but I'm telling you, the times where I felt like I wanted to give up was the times where the magic happened just after I pushed through. So I decided not to give up, and that's when it happens. You actually don't know how close you are to achieving your goals, and the key there is just to be consistent. You know, consistency trumps everything else. You know, you will find a way, and meet people, get out there, network with people who've been there, done that. It's the fastest way to success. And yeah, hope you guys are all doing well. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.